Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make curry without curry cubes. First, start by preparing your aromatic base. Sauté finely minced ginger and garlic in 1 tablespoon of oil until fragrant. Then, add your ground spices, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of coriander. Stir these together for about 30 seconds to bloom their flavors, creating a rich foundation for your curry. Next, introduce your diced onions to the pan and cook them until they become soft and translucent, about 5 to 7 minutes. Stir in 1 can of crushed tomatoes, letting it simmer for a few minutes to deepen the flavor. Finally, pour in 1 can of full-fat coconut milk. This will create a wonderfully creamy sauce, bringing all the spices and aromatics together beautifully. Now it's time to add your main ingredients. Incorporate your chosen protein, whether it's cubed chicken, firm tofu, or cooked lentils. Then, add any vegetables you like, such as diced potatoes, carrots, or bell peppers. Stir everything gently to combine. Let the curry simmer on low heat for at least 20 to 30 minutes, or until your protein and vegetables are perfectly tender. Before serving, give your curry a taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. You might want to add a pinch more salt, a dash of black pepper, or a squeeze of fresh lime juice for brightness. Garnish generously with fresh chopped cilantro. Serve your delicious, homemade curry hot with fluffy basmati rice or warm naan bread for a truly satisfying meal. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.